This assessment asks us to predict the product of the reaction shown. Noting that it's a substitution reaction, it furthermore asks us to specify whether rearrangement would be expected to occur. Essentially, that question is asking, are we doing an SN1 or an SN2 substitution? So we start by making our list. We have a secondary alkyl halide, which we know can do SN2 or SN1. Our nucleophile here is a negatively charged nucleophile. Being a good nucleophile or a strong nucleophile, we would expect the reaction to do an SN2 or to proceed by SN2. THF is a polar aprotic solvent, so a polar aprotic solvent, we expect to favor SN2 substitutions. With 1 vote for it doesn't matter and 2 votes for SN2, this is probably going to be an SN2 reaction. As a result, given that it's an SN2 reaction, we know that everything is going to happen at the same time. It's going to be concerted. And so the reaction will proceed by the sulfide anion doing a direct backside displacement of the chloride to give the product I'll draw here. Note that because the chlorine was on top of the molecule when the sulfur displaced it, it's going to have added from the bottom. The stereochemistry of the other methyl group will be unchanged. Rearrangement couldn't occur here because a carbocation never formed. Rearrangements only occur when carbocations form, meaning you'll see them exclusively in SN1 substitution reactions.